Very good morning, girls. Today we will learn how to implement the interface. As we know, interface is basically the provide the concept of multiple inheritance. And in multiple inheritance, we have the two base and the one drive class. So यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो interface L1 is acting as a one base class, interface L2 is acting as a second base class, and the third is the drive class interface main that extend the feature or implement the feature of both the base class L1 L2. The only difference is that in case of interface implementation multiple inheritance, you have to use the keyword implements. Inheritance में हम extend keyword use करते थे और interface में हमने कौन सा use करना है यहाँ पे implement करना है. And another difference is that there is no need to provide the implementation of body of a function. आपको m function को define करने की जरूरत नहीं है, उसको implement करने की जरूरत नहीं है. उसका काम कौन करेगा? आपकी drive class करेगी. L2 का कोई function define करने की जरूरत नहीं है, उसका काम कौन करेगा? आपकी ये क्लास करेगी. So this provide the main feature by we performing the multi-level inheritance. Now you can see in the same function main m function that is declared publicly, we are defining here and we are using the L1 dot I. मतलब इस इंटरफेस की I की वैल्यू हम यहाँ पे सेट कर रहे हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि हमने इंप्लीमेंट किया हुआ है. In the similar way, L2 we are fetching here. We are fetching here. In the similar way, we are fetching or we are displaying the value. Now the next is you are displaying the value of interface. Now you are making the object control X and there should be the control V. Now you can see we are making the object of the drive class and the drive class name is interface main and we are implementing the function M. Whenever you will call the M function of drive class, it will come here and it will check there is you are calling the interface I variable. It will go above and first base class L1 I matlab 1 and then L2 matlab 100. This value should be displayed. Now we can see if we will run the program, we are typing Java C interface main, that is the name of Java, drive class dot Java. And then we have to now interpret. So it displays the value 1 and 100. So in this way, we can implement the same contents of multiple inheritors in the form of your interface.